Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can restore deleted message on WhatsApp. Simply speaking, restoring your deleted message is related with the backup feature. So, let's say one of my chat is deleted. Now, what you need to do is go to File Explorer or My Files, go to Internal Storage, then Android, Media, and here you will find com.whatsapp file. Tap on the com.whatsapp and copy it. Go back to internal storage and copy it here. Now uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall it from the Google Play Store. After we have reinstalled the app, it will ask you to set up your account. So simply keep on following. Now at this stage, once again go back to My Files and internal storage. Here find the com.whatsapp file that you previously copied. Tap and hold it and simply press on Move or Copy. After that, go to Android and Media, and in the Media screen, tap on Copy here. At this stage, tap on Do This for all similar items and tap on Replace. It will replace the current WhatsApp information with the previous information that we had copied. Now, once again, go to WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp. Now enter your phone number. As you set up your account, the next screen will show Restore Backup. This backup is the previously copied file. So tap on Restore. Tap on Next and complete your profile. As you can see, the message that we previously deleted is here and the contents of it are also safe. So in this way you can restore deleted message on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching the video and make sure to subscribe.